There's a solar manufacturing company in the southern part of the US, brand new facility, greenfield operation, and they needed our assistance with staffing up their maintenance department. Honestly speaking, I mean, their manufacturing setup is not any different than a typical manufacturing facility. I mean, they have assembly lines, they have robotics, they have PLCs. Any manufacturing company is going to have that level of automation and controls. And so it wasn't like the customer came to us and said, "Hey, they need to have some kind of background in solar energy." They're making the panels. They needed more talent in that maintenance area from a leadership and then from a hands-on experience that understood pneumatics, hydraulics, which would be the mechanical side of it, and then understood the electrical. A lot of touch screens, a lot of which are called HMIs, human machine interfacing. It's advanced manufacturing for sure. Whether it's engineering talent or maintenance that we're talking about now. I mean, we've had customers that are producing large iron ductile pipe to paper products to solar panels and everything in between. So where manufacturing is in this day and age, everyone has advanced manufacturing principles. A lot of times what I'm seeing is they don't have the man hours to put into going into the market and aggressively finding the talent that they're looking for with that skill set and the personality, the education background. It's not one of those things where you can just post and coast. And I think sometimes you have corporate recruiters or you have these talent acquisition recruiters in these large companies that, yes, they do use some of the same tools we do and have job postings, but you're catching every fish in the sea. You're not really a lot of times attracting the exact type of person you're looking for. And so it's easy for them to come to us and say, "Hey, look, we want you to go find this exact skill set." The team that we have that focuses, like the recruiters that focus on these engineering skill sets and whatever that may be, there's a lot of tenure there. So when a position comes in, they're able to challenge technically where that person's skill set is and if it aligns with the skill set. So it does take man hours. It does take proactive recruiting instead of, as I say, reactive recruiting, waiting on people to come to you. We can go out to the market and cover a lot of ground in a short amount of time. So we're very efficient, but also a lot of times what I'm selling when I'm sitting in front of business owners or leaders that are making these hiring decisions is we know these skill sets. Like it's all that team focuses on. It's the large majority of my career. So I'm very involved as well in the screening process compared to, and it's not a knock on their recruiters, but a lot of times a corporate recruiter is working on 30 or 40 positions. So they're not able to allocate time to that individual position. Whereas we're able to be very laser focused on exactly what your non-negotiables are and then screen them to that level and deliver them to you. And that's what customers appreciate. That's what solves their problem. That's why they keep coming back. We've got a lot of new logos, a lot of new customers that are coming to us, but also several that have been with us for 5.5 years now. And they continue to bring their business because there's confidence, there's trust, and there's strong past performance in delivering consistently over a long amount of time.